we're gonna do, Audrey, going around the
corner. Come
We'll
on.
take your break, okay? Very good.
Put your foot down all the way.
Put your heel down when you walk, Audrey.
Put your foot down all the way.
There we go. What's his name? What's his name? What's your son's name?
Oh. I can't.
You will remember your husband.
Yes.
What's your son's name? Picture the video. Oh, okay. I'm like,
We've almost made it.
almost.
Just a little bit more. Is this where you take a break? Oh, hey.
Well, we all get a break. Go down the hallway as well. Okay. You just sit down. Come right